Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share 60 plus wooden table lamp ideas. So a wooden table lamp can add a touch of natural warmth and elegance to any room, whether it's a sleek modern design or more rustic handcrafted style. A wooden table lamp can complement a variety of interior decor themes. Plus, the warm glow of light through the wood can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. If you are considering purchasing a wooden table lamp, you might want to think about the type of wood, the lampshade style, and how it will fit in with the overall design of the room. Wooden table lamps come in a wide range of designs from minimalist Scandinavian styles to intricately carved traditional design. When choosing a wooden table lamp, consider the type of wood used, whether it's oak, walnut, or another variety, as this can affect the lamp's appearance and durability. Additionally, think about the size of the lamp and how it will fix on your table or desk. Some wooden table lamps feature adjustable arms or shades, allowing you to direct the light where it's needed. Ultimately, a wooden table lamp can be both functional lighting solution and a stylish addition to your home decor. When selecting a wooden table lamp, you may also want to consider the type of bulb it uses. LED bulbs are energy efficient and long lasting, while instead bulbs may provide a warmer, more traditional glow. Additionally, think about the overall aesthetic of the lamp and how it is complements your exciting furniture and decor. Some wooden table lamps have more contemporary geometric look, while others feature intricate carving and details for a more ornate feel. Ultimately, the right wooden table lamp can serve as a beautiful focal point in your room while providing the perfect amount of light for reading, working, or simply creating a cozy ambience. That's all guys. I hope you liked today's video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and see you soon. Goodbye.
gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work